Fly Company. I'm just in northern Alberta. Fly fishing for Arctic Grayling. We just had a couple of real good bites and a couple of real big Arctic Grayling. I'm using the Silver Tip Fly Company 2-tone foam fly. Size 12. I've used the Mayfly, the Light Cahill, Elk Caddis today. Have had lots and lots of success. Today I'm using my Sage reel, and I have a Snowbee 2-3 weight, so beautiful rod for these Arctic Grayling. Oh, there's it. Oh. Beautiful Arctic Grayling. Not the biggest I've caught, but beautiful. Well, we'll see if there's any more in here that want to bite. The cool part about there's another hit, the fly fishing is for these Arctic Grayling is I actually ended up having to work in northern Alberta this year instead of my southern Alberta, and so I thought I'd miss out on some fishing, and I ended up, oh, there's one. Oh, I ended up having a fun time catching these Arctic Grayling. It's just like trout fishing in southern Alberta in some of the small creeks, and it's been quite enjoyable. I've been lucky enough also to get out and fish for northern pike. Oh, there was a hit. Got it. actually, I've been surprised at how the size of these. Just awesome. This looks like a good one. I think the biggest one I've caught. It's nice, big, large Arctic grayling.